Hello friends, so welcome to our channel CAIIB by Kraken. So in this session we are going to discuss some of the important recollected questions. Recollected questions in case of optional paper, that is paper 3 in CAIIB retail banking. So here we will discuss some of the important recollected questions which has been asked in the previous exams in 2019, right? So that this will help you to have some overall idea, right, which topics to focus and which are important ones, right? And let's start this. There are some questions related to, let me show you this. Okay, some questions related to internet banking, mobile banking. These are the new syllabus added in IIVF in retail banking. That all these new things you can able to add in the new book of Macmillan, or you can also download from the IIVF website, right? And you can join the quiz group or our discussion group. Link will be in the description box, so that you will have the PDF also there, right? So internet banking, mobile banking, here some like minimum, what is the minimum transaction in the mobile banking, these types of questions. So very easy one, so busy. And let me talk about one more thing in this retail banking. This is the third paper, right? If you have scored in ABM and now you have completed BFM, right? So even you have scored 50 plus in this or something, and if you are doing all those things in one go, then in retail banking you need 45 plus at least. Nowadays in retail banking, some case studies are asking, right? Like loan based. So those case studies are very easy. You just need to have some basic idea, right? Then only you can score good score in this retail banking, right? And one more thing, this time in our exams, like today we have the BFM exams, so we have only one day, not one day, something like 12 hours for the preparations of the retail. So no need to worry, because we need to focus something like 50 plus for the secure. And those who are thinking they are not able to clear the ABM BFM, or something they have cleared ABM and unable to BFM, they can also focus for the retail, so that they will have one paper in the next time, right? So this video will give you overall idea what are the questions pattern, what are the important questions that has been asked in the exams repeatedly, right? So next, some questions from BCSBI banking course and bureau. And next, time value of money, PV value and FP value, that this has been covered in the ABM, right? So this is very easy for you, right? 1 to 2 questions you can expect. ATM, like white label ATM, all those types of ATM, that's some questions will be from that only. And next important thing is this one, customer bank liability, right? If like if something happen, if a customer has lost some money, in that case we need to see what is the liability of customer and what is the liability of the banker, right? There is some act you can follow, so this is very important one. So vehicle loan used, one case study related to vehicle loan. And one more thing, in retail you need to score something 50 plus, so try to prioritize the paper, so that don't so that you can easily score 50 plus, right? You can easily score 30 plus or 40, but those 5 marks or 10 marks, that will be the deciding factor, right? So that for that only you need to prepare smartly, right? So we are going to start also some fast track video for the retail, so that we are also trying to cover the syllabus as well, right? So real point, if you like these videos and if you want to have the updated one, so that you can subscribe and click the bell icon, so that you will have the updates at the earliest. So next one is vehicle loan, and one product development एंड मार्केटिंग स्टेजेस। हमारा जो प्रोडक्ट डेवलपमेंट स्टेज होता है, एक जो इनिशियल रहता है, उसके बाद मैच्योरिटी रहता है, उसके बाद ये स्टेज रहता है, उसके बाद डिक्लाइन होता है, तो ये द प्रोडक्ट स्टेज, राइट। तो ये वाला वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है, ये आपका है प्रोडक्ट लाइफ साइकिल वी कैन से, राइट। And next one is marketing. Marketing will be theoretical, but you will have some case study regarding this. And product development, you will have one case study. They have asked one case study regarding this, right? So next is methods of valuation, right? So these are the some valuation related case studies. So here these are the 8 case studies. So directly 40 marks. See, very important one. These are the case studies they asked of 5 marks each. BCSBI, just read the BCSBI, right? BCSBI, or we are going to also upload specifically for this, right? So these are the very important one, and try to cover this first. In retail, the syllabus is very less, so that the question will be repeated in nature, right? So 10 to 12 numericals, EMI, future value, present value, that's we have told. Valuation method, open area. Belting method, you have one questions. Then PSB follows which approach segmental classification, geographical areas. This is also important. Mass affluent, mass market criteria. What is the mass market criteria? What is mass affluent? Case study on credit card, calculation of interest. This is very important. Maximum time they have asking, and this questions only. Case study on home loan. This is also important. Two to three questions in mortgage. See, this mortgage we have already studied in CAIIB, already studied in legal paper. So mortgage, let me give you some idea. Like for the immovable property, we are doing mortgage. In case of housing loan, we are making the house as the mortgage. And in hypothecation, in case of immovable property, in case of vehicle loan, that is vehicle is movable, so we are making that vehicle is hypothecated security, right? And in case of stocks, CC, all those things, we are making all those stocks as a hypothecated, right? So you can go through this more. So mobile banking, and in case of housing loan, we are making equitable mortgage, right? So mobile banking, internet banking, limits. See, important thing is what is the daily limits, what is the monthly limits, and like that. 5 to 6 questions. This is a case study. PMJGY, Pradhan Mantri Jan Jivan Jyoti Bima Yojana. एंड या प्रधानमंत्री जीवन ज्योति जो स्कीम्स है उसमें से यही इंपॉर्टेंट है, प्रधानमंत्री जीवन ज्योति बीमा योजना एंड सुरक्षा बीमा योजना। जीवन ज्योति में आपका 330 रुपीज़ आता है, सुरक्षा बीमा योजना में आपका 12 रुपीज़ आता है, राइट। 330 में क्या होता है, बोथ एक्सीडेंटल एंड नेचुरल डेथ एंड permanent disability will be covered. If death will be happen, then 2 lakhs, and if permanent disability, then 1 lakhs. And here only accidental death will be covered, not natural. Pradhan Mantri Suraksha mein, right? And here in that case 2 lakhs and also 1 lakhs. And एज क्राइटेरिया इज प्रधानमंत्री के लिए आपका 70 ईयर्स, इसके लिए आपका 48 और 50 ईयर्स प्रधानमंत्री जीवन ज्योति में, राइट। सो नेक्स्ट वन विल बी NPCI, National Payment Corporation of India, the ATM related, right? 2 questions regarding Maslow's theory, very easy one. Case study on banking services to identify tangibility, reliability, empathy. Just have the definitions of what is tangibility, what is reliability, and what is empathy, right? Empathy we have already discussed in ABM. We have discussed like how you need to understand that how others are thinking about it. Accordingly, you need to react. Next one will be EMI calculation. EMI calculation, we have that formula. Just remember that formula, EMI formula, then you can easily calculate this. Customer service expectation and case study. This is very important one. This will be theoretical. You just have read the theory part of this customer service expectation, right? DRS surface in the our playlist. You can see the surface and DRT videos, and we have the one quiz also regarding this, so you can refer that. It's very easy. Just try to remember who are the appellate authorities, what to do in case of what is the limit of DRT and surface area, like that. In case of DRT, we are going when the limit is more than 10 lakhs, right? So like accordingly we can, and in less than 10 lakhs we'll go for local. Then CRM, customer relation management. So our questions very important tha Maslow's theory, customers types based on income. What are the types? ATM related, BCS by NEFT batches. What are the NEFT batches? That is half hourly, and now NEFT is 24 hour. If but this is new. But if the options are like how NEFT, you have to write accordingly previous one 720. Right? RTGS will be real time based. And what is the limit? In case of NEFT, there is no minimum, right? And there is no limit for the maximum also, but in case of RTS the minimum is 2 lakhs. So next one will be UPI. Then UPI related, what are the also same limits, all those things, credit card calculations, tax deductions, home loan EMI, ordinary annuity. We have already annuity formula, just I remember the same formula, right? Annuity due at the end of the year, annuity ordinary at the beginning. Then remote channel marketing plannings, these are the marketing plannings, theoretical but very important. Educational loan eligibility case study. Educational loan, they have asked one educational loan. This is very important, just try to cover one case study. We are also going to upload this in the next